Students, today's topic is method of valuation of goodwill. First of all, we have to understand what is goodwill. Goodwill is nothing more than, but it's only the good name or reputation of any particular business or the firm. Whenever we talk about the methods of valuation of goodwill, there are only four methods to value goodwill. Number one is average profit method, second is super profit method, third is capitalization method, fourth is annuity method. Let us talk about one by one about the formula of the different method, how we will calculate the goodwill. In average profit method, so we were discussing about the formula of average profit method. What the formula is? First of all, we have to find out the average profit. So average profit equals to total profit of given years divided by number of years. First of all, by this formula, we will calculate the average profit, and then simply we will put or calculate the value of goodwill by goodwill is equal to average profit multiplied by number of purchase year, which is given in the question. So the second method is the super profit method. For this, first we have to calculate the capital employed. Capital employed is the value of net asset, and we can calculate this by the formula of total asset minus outsiders liability. Why this is required? This is required to find out the normal profit. How you will calculate the normal profit? Normal profit is equal to capital employed multiplied by normal rate of return divided by 100. This normal rate of return is given in the question. Okay. Then we will calculate the super profit. How we will calculate the super profit? Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. This is the formula. This is the formula of super profit. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Then finally, we will calculate the value of goodwill by this. Goodwill is equal to super profit, what we had calculated here, this super profit multiplied by, the super profit is multiplied by number of purchase year. Number of purchase year or years, which is given in the question. Okay, this is the second method, super profit method. The third method of valuation of goodwill is capitalization method. Here there are two methods under this: capitalization of average profit and capitalization of super profit. The formula for goodwill under the capitalization of average profit method is goodwill equals to average profit multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return. This is to be calculated, and then we have to then from this we have to subtract the value of capital employed. The difference is goodwill. Second method is capitalization of super profit method. Here goodwill equals to super profit multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return. This method is used, this capitalization method is used when in question number of purchase year for the value of goodwill is not given. I am repeating once again, this method is used only when number of purchase year for the valuation of goodwill in question is not given. The fourth method is annuity method, but this is before telling this, I would like to tell you one thing, that this is not in the course as per the CBSE syllabus, but still I am telling you, annuity method is goodwill equals to super profit, what we had past calculated, like the same we have to calculate, multiplied by the rate of annuity. The rate of annuity is given in the question. We will put simply this super profit multiplied by rate of annuity. You will count the value of goodwill. Thank you. Let us try to understand with the part of valuation of goodwill with an example. The question is, I have taken one example. The capital employed of the firm is rupees 5 lakh. Firm's profit for last 5 years are as follows: 2015 60,000, 2016 80,000, 2017 20,000. There is loss of 20,000. 2018 70,000, 2019 1 lakh. Now normal rate of return is 8% per annum given the question. Calculate value of goodwill from the following: average profit method, second is super profit method. For both we had taken number of purchase year 3, and the final is the third method is capitalization method. We will now see the solution of this. Solution for that example is total profit of last 5 years: 60,000 the first year, 80,000, then 20,000 loss, therefore I had subtracted here. 70,000 is the profit for 4th year, and for 5th year 1 lakh. The total profit is 2,90,000. Now we will calculate the average profit. Average profit equals to 2,90,000 is the total profit. We will put here 2,90,000 divide by, what are the number of years? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will divide it by 5. You will calculate this and you will get 58,000 the average profit. We had calculated the average profit. Keep it here. Now we will calculate the normal profit. Normal profit equals to, what formula I told you? Capital employed multiplied by normal rate of return divided by 100. We will put in this capital employed according to the question is 5 lakh rupees. It's already given in the first line of the example, multiplied with normal rate of return, that is given 8%, multiplied by 100, you will get 40,000 rupees the normal profit. Now calculate the super profit. Super profit, what the formula I told you? Average profit minus normal profit. This is the formula we have already discussed. Subtract it. We will subtract 58,000 the average profit, what we had calculated here, then 40,000 the normal profit, subtract it, you will get 18,000 this super profit. Now, is this clear to all of you? I hope so. It's clear. Now, so the value of goodwill first average profit, that is 58,000. We have to multiply it by number of purchase year. 3 years it's given. Now calculate it. You will get 0,00824 carry here 15 months. This is the value of goodwill according to the average profit. Second is super profit. Goodwill equals to super profit is 18,000 multiplied with the number of purchases which is given in the question. $54,000 is the value of a goodwill. Now the third method, capitalization method. By capitalization of average profit को कैपिटलाइज करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? 58,000 is the profit, multiplied by 100 divided by 8 minus the value of capital employed. This is the formula I told you. Second is super profit. Super profit equals to what? The super profit is 18,000 multiplied by 100 divided by 8. What the value of goodwill? You will calculate and comment. So we got the final answer. Average profit method, the goodwill values is 174. Super profit method, the goodwill value is 54,000. Under capitalization method, average profit we got 225, and under super profit we got 225. Here both the answer will be same always. Under the capitalization method, by any method, by calculation of average profit we will calculate, we will get 225, and by super profit also we will get the same. Thank you for watching.